In the 21st century, in July 2021, when I was doing the spiritual experiment in the real physical world with faith in Allah, and when I did the spiritual experiment, the weather forecast claim was that the heat wave will remain in the Lahore city of Pakistan for the next 2 days, and there was extreme heat wave. And then I made a written claim, and within 24 hours, Allah transformed the weather of the Lahore city. And He changed the weather system, and He brought the cool waves, cool airs in the whole city, and the newscast foreclaim was changed within 24 hours. And not only this, in the real physical world of human beings on the planet Earth, Allah increased the heat wave of the sun in all over the world, on all over the physical world, and it was reported by the scientists of advanced countries on many news channels on international level that extreme heat wave is the most ever hot month of the history is July 2021. It was an indication and a sign, a divine sign from Allah on something that a man has come on the earth by the mercy of Allah, who is the man of God and the follower of last Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And he is the legend of Allah by the mercy of Allah in the 21st century of modern science and technology. And Allah also transformed the weather system of the Lahore city and decreased the heat wave to the level where the people of the Lahore city witnessed, and the news channels reported about the weather of Lahore city that it has been decreased to the level where it was very, very smooth and cool weather, very cool, while the world was experiencing the extreme hot wave. Advanced countries of the world was experiencing the extreme hot wave. In that month, Allah transformed the weather of Lahore city to the cool level, and that was a physical transformational miracle of Allah in the real physical world. It happened in the real world in July 2021. How Allah did it. And not only this, it is not just about a weather was transformed. It was transformed when the legend of Allah claimed it in return that it will happen by the will of Allah, by the mercy of Allah if Allah wills, and it happened. And not only that, as I said, if someone is doing it, he must write his signature on the event as a divine stamp that it is the one who is doing it, his name is whatever the person is worshipping. And I worship only Allah. And Allah practically demonstrated His name in Arabic various times throughout the month of July 2021. And especially when He transformed the weather. The second day, 2nd July 2021, Allah brought a cloud over my head, right, on this place where I am recording this. And the cloud was over my head. In the name of Allah in Arabic, it was Lillah. Allah transformed the clouds from Lillah to simple cloud and then transformed again into Lillah twice. And once again another time on July 7, 2021, Allah brought a big piece of cloud over my head near the sun, and I was looking at that, and it was clearly written in Arabic the name of Allah, Lillah. It was again a miracle, and these are just two which I am telling. Allah did it several times throughout the month as a divine sign. And He transformed the weather system of the Lahore, and not only Lahore, He transformed the weather system of many cities of Pakistan by His command and power. And He demonstrated His miraculous, His special powers by bringing the storms, by bringing the destruction, by bringing the raining, by bringing the transforming the weather, by controlling the weather. And He proved that whatever His legend, His claiming, is being done by Allah will, and He did it by writing His signature in return through the clouds, that He is Allah who is supporting the event, He is Allah who is doing it all. Legend cannot do it by himself. Legend is a human, just like you.